Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into today's first video, doing 5-day forecast, today's first video, and then we'll have a look at the Beijing Climate Centre for the next 40 days. It's a 40-day look ahead that we do every Wednesday now with the Beijing Climate Centre. That's going to take us, can you believe this? We'll be going into start of September with the 40-day look ahead today, so into the very first month of autumn 2016. Now, the 5-day forecast is going to be quite a changeable one today. There's no sign of a return to a heat wave that was going on this time last week. In fact, temperatures are probably going to be sliding away as we go through into the weekend. And we may see further showers or longer spells of rain as well. So it's not going to be a great period, but there will be drier interludes also, so it's not going to be a complete and total washout, but overall pretty cool, pretty changeable. Sums it up. I'll get on with a detailed 5-day forecast in a second. Before I get on with that though, just to say about our charity fundraiser. So throughout July we've been raising money for the Warwickshire and Northamptonshire ambulance. We started this at the start of the month. We're going to be running it until Sunday, last day of July. That's where we'll be wrapping it all up, and I'll give you the full total of the amount that has been donated. So yesterday I said that I was hoping we'd be able to get to £1,000 by the end of this event, by the end of Sunday. I was hoping we'd reach our target of £1,000. And look at this, yesterday we went up over £1,000. We went up to £1,016.54. We've had 64 donations so far. A huge thank to everybody that's donated. Absolutely blown away by this. I know the Air Ambulance are very pleased as well. They are as surprised as I am at the amount we've had donated to us. I really wasn't expecting anything like this money when I started this appeal at the beginning of July. The first target was set at £200, and I've had to increase the target throughout the month. And to go over £1,000 before the end of the appeal, it is quite amazing what you've done for us, and particularly for the Warwickshire and Northamptonshire Air Ambulance. So huge thank you to everybody for their really kind donations. Now, I'm going to carry on running this until the end of the month. So although we've reached our target of £1,000, you can still donate. And if you haven't donated yet, I just ask that you do send us through your donations. So let's just see how much further up we can get this by the time we get through to the end of July. It would be lovely if we could increase this some more. So to donate, there's two ways of doing it. You can come to our Just Giving page, and this is the Just Giving page. Just here. I'm going to leave the link in the description box at YouTube, and also links throughout Gaz Weathervids. So click the link, you'll come to this page, you'll be greeted by the Gaz Weathervids logo. It also says Gavin's page, so you know you're on the right page. And to donate, all you have to do is click the yellow donate button. It'll take you to another page where very safely, very securely, Just Giving is a completely secure and safe website. So very safe and securely, you put in your card details and you donate whatever you like, whatever you can afford to the ambulance. The other way of doing it is to text your donation, and to do that use our code, which is GWVS77, and the amount you would like to donate can be anything from £1 upwards, and you text that to 770. And if you pay as you go, the money will the donation will very simply be taken off your balance. If you pay via a bill, then it will be added to your next bill cycle. But your mobile phone provider, so for example Vodafone, other mobile phone providers apply as well. They will pay the money out straight away, and then you'll pass the money on to them in your next bill. You see what I mean? All the money that you donate via Just Giving goes to the charity immediately. They send the money on immediately. There's no messing around with the money, and every penny that you donate is sent through to the charity immediately. There's also something called Gift Day, which I haven't spoken about before. I've been doing this, but actually we have raised more money than this suggests, because you can also give a charity Gift Day. It doesn't mean that you're paying anything extra, and it's a little bit difficult to explain. But adding on gift day, we have actually earned the charity a few pounds more, and I'll talk about the final total, adding in all of your donations and adding in gift day on Sunday, probably Sunday evening, when I'll do a video that sort of wraps the whole thing up and says exactly how much we have raised. I know there's also been a cheque that's been sent to the air ambulance as well, so that's got to be added on also. So a big thank you to everybody for their donations. For your donations, you've still got time to donate, and let's just see how much further we can get this past £1,000. Right, let's get on with the 5-day forecast. So I'm going to start off with the radar picture from Weather Outlook. Remember, you can find link to Weather Outlook on its page. We have some rain in the south. It's been a very dry period for southern southeastern counties over the past few weeks. We have had some rain this morning. Most of the persistent rain is gone, but we've still got showers through central southern parts of England and Wales. They could get heavier through the course of this afternoon. Otherwise, there's a fair amount of dry weather. Here is today's stock tip pressure chart from weathercentral.de. You'll find a link to Weather Central on the links page as well. So it brought a trough of low pressure through the country overnight. We've got a little transient ridge building in from the west with this little bump in the isobar, and then the next area of low pressure will be with us tonight, and tomorrow that's waiting in the wings. So we could have further showers in the south and southeast through the course of this afternoon. One or two of those could be heavy and funny, but they'll be fairly well scattered, so not everywhere we'll get them. But if you do get a downpour this afternoon, you may know about it. Many central and northern parts of the country will stay dry, except for a few showers in the far northwest. Temperatures today are going to be cooler than recently, maybe close to average really, at around say 17 to 23 degrees. 23 degrees is 73 Fahrenheit. I say it's about average for the end of July. Overnight will bring this low pressure in towards the west, so showers will die out this evening. Most places will become dry, but by the end of the night, we'll have outbreaks of rain heading in to Ireland and maybe some western fringes of the UK. It's going to be a cooler, fresher night than we had last night, especially in the south. Temperatures ranging from around 7 to 12 degrees. There will be a chilly feel tonight. Moving through to Thursday, low pressure coming in off the Atlantic, so that's going to bring a band of cloud and rain across the country through the day. Eastern parts may start off dry with sunny spells, but have rain in the western word go, and those outbreaks of showery rain will spread across the UK through the course of the day. Now, Scotland could miss the worst of this and have some bright conditions, still with a few showers, and far southern counties may not get too much in way of rain either. Again, maybe a few showers, but I think the more persistent rain will be further north. So it's really from southwest Scotland through northern England, Northern Ireland, Wales, the Midlands, Lincolnshire, eastern parts of England down into East Anglia that we'd like to have outbreaks of rain through the course of Thursday. Some of that rain in the west could be quite heavy, but it'll be fairly showery in nature in the east. Temperatures tomorrow will be a little bit cooler than those of today, so probably ranging from around 16 to 21. 21 is 70 Fahrenheit. On Friday, low pressure is to the east of Scotland. We're bringing down this cool northwesterly flow. So any persistent rain overnight, Thursday and Friday will be gone by breakfast time on Friday. I mean, it's basically a case of sunshine and showers. I think that the showers will be fairly well scattered. There'll be a lot of dry weather around on Friday. Actually, most of the showers will be in the north and the east of the country. Temperatures again around 16 to 21 degrees. Saturday, we keep showery conditions going across the country. In fact, there's some sort of a trough probably moving down across the country through the course of the day. So we'll probably start off dry on Saturday. And the thing you'll notice about Friday night and Saturday morning, there'll be quite a cold feel. We're not talking about ground frost yet, but certainly a pretty chilly feel as we start Saturday. But will be sunny spells, then clouds going to bubble up to produce showers. It's going to be the north and east that has the greatest risk of showers through the course of Saturday. The south and west tend to get the driest, brightest of the conditions. And as we go through the day, we probably find some general band of showers moving southwards through Scotland and into northern England. Not sure about that, but some sort of trough feature could move southwards during Saturday afternoon, sort of banding those showers together a little bit. Temperatures, nothing to write home about at all. After a chilly start, we'll be up to around 15 to 20 degrees. 20 is 68 Fahrenheit, a little bit cooler than you expect at this time of year. And as showers ease away overnight on Saturday night, probably be another quite cold night. And again, we're not talking about ground frost, but we are talking about chilly feel, heavy dew on the grass, that kind of thing on Sunday morning. Just a little taste of autumn maybe in the air if you get up early enough on Sunday morning. But certainly again, we'll start off with a fair amount of sunshine and that'll lift the temperatures up fairly quickly. Of course, the sunshine in July is still strong. However, another trough will be moving in from the west, and that could bring more general spells of showery rain during the course of Sunday afternoon. So I think out of the 2 days, Sunday could be the worst of it actually this weekend, with a lot of showers across the country, possibly merging into longer spells of rain as well. Don't rule out the chance of hail and thunder. Of course, not everywhere will get rain. Some places will stay dry, but I think Sunday does look notably showery day, and with more cloud and more showers around, those temperatures are going to be very, very disappointing, probably ranging from around 14 to 20 degrees, something like that, a couple of degrees cooler than average for the end of July. And then we go through into Monday, for the end of 5-day forecast period. This is Monday, 1st of August, of course. I've got a little bit of a ridge starting to move in from the Atlantic, but wind's still in from the north, so that will still bring showers to Scotland and eastern parts of England. But I think Ireland, Wales, southwest England, closer to this ridge, should get more in way of dry weather. Temperatures, again, nothing to write home about, 15 to 21, and cool early and late. Finally, have a look at charts from the Weather Outlook, so you see weather in your area over the coming 5 days. So we've got this showery area in the southeast this afternoon, otherwise a fair amount of dry weather. Tomorrow we see a band of rain moving in off the Atlantic, so that could be quite heavy, especially in the north. Scotland possibly missing the worst of that, as should southern counties, but there will be quite a bit of rain around during the course of Thursday. Friday it's sunshine and showers, and although this shows quite a lot of showers across the country, I think they should be generally quite well scattered, so your best chance of staying dry could be on Friday. Saturday we'll have further showers, and some of them could be heavy and thundery, and then we go into Sunday with showers or longer spells of rain. Temperatures look really quite cool as well on Sunday. And then Monday we end the 5-day forecast period with showers in the east and drier, brighter conditions in the west. There could be some notably cool nights at times of year over the weekend into the start of next week. I said we're not talking about frost, it's too early in the season for that, but we could well be talking about some pretty cool feeling mornings over weekend and into the start of next week. So in summary, we're going to be seeing a very showery period coming up. There'll be showers along spells of rain. Not a complete washout, there will be dry spells in between, and temperatures generally quite cool as well. That's all for now. Come back later for today's Look Out for a Beige Climate Centre. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.